Hi, I'm Randy with J&L Contracting out of Springfield, Missouri, here at Matt's 2019. Here talking to Chad Smith. Chad, you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Chad Smith with STS Transit out of Upper Sandusky, Ohio.
What have you brought today?
We brought a 2019 Pete 389. It's got the X15 605 engine in it, 300-inch wheelbase, 13 speed.
Kind of show us here some of your best features of the truck.
Well, we've got a lot of PDIs parts on here. Got their intake manifold. It's been chromed, and then we have their added turbo kit over there, which has been ceramic coated and chromed. That system from them actually runs through all the emissions. It's all emissions compliant, and it runs 14% cleaner into the emissions or into the DPF. So there's less regens, and it's supposed to make everything work a little better.
Awesome. The paint's kind of caught my eye.
Well,
the shade of blue.
It caught my eye too. The story behind this truck is this is the 100th truck since my dad started the company, and then since I bought it from him.
Awesome.
And I wanted something special for the 100th truck, and I had one ordered. I had a glider ordered. Well, then when certain things with the gliders fell through, I was going to end up having to buy just another truck to put another driver in for the 100th truck.
Right.
And I saw this one. This one was actually sitting on a lot, and it was white. It had this stripe on it and had the blue frame. And I thought, man, that's the same thing. It caught my eye, and I wanted. I thought, man, I can turn that into something special.
Right. Well, standing here, it looks like you've done a lot of hard work. Spent a lot of time on this truck. I'm sitting here looking at the interior right now, and kind of wanting you to open the door.
Well, sure.
So who was responsible for the interior?
Well, Cole, my right-hand guy, and Josh, my mechanic, my other right-hand guy, and myself, we tore everything out. We tore it right down to bare wires, sanded all the texture out of all the plastic, and then sent it back to a friend of mine, Mikey at Woods Rod and Custom in Pennsylvania. He did all the painting in the cab for me. And then we had the upholstered stuff. Portage Trim in Ravenna, Ohio, did the upholstered stuff. But yeah, we did all the sanding down, and then we did all the install back together ourselves. And then the sleeper we actually tore that down, and I painted everything in the sleeper. And
awesome.
I wasn't that confident with my painting skills to have the up front done by me, but
right.
Can we have a look on the sleeper?
Yeah,
sure.
let's look in there. Definitely an awesome piece.
Well,
it's kind of like what I like to see is everything has been touched.
And credit to my wife, the pillows, there's the lights light up blue, and when at night when you light those lights up with those pillows in there, it just looks awesome.
Awesome.
Now, what's going to happen with the truck? I'm kind of jumping the gun here on Randy, but what are you doing with the truck work-wise?
Well, it's going to go to work. What my plan is, this is my going to be my truck. I still like to drive. I don't get to drive as often as I want to through dispatching and office work. But whenever I drive, this is the one I'm going to drive. And then my plan is in 5-10 years, whenever I can actually back away and find somebody to take some of my place. This is where I'm going to spend my time. So
right.
It's what I enjoy.
Awesome. I like the way the stripes go all the way through.
And the stripes back here, the same guy, Mikey from Pennsylvania, he did all the striping, the deck plate. He did these fenders. He hand laid out the stripes in these fenders. He did an amazing job.
Right. You got some good friends like I got.
Yeah.
It's awesome to have good connections like that. It's just a beautiful truck, man.
Thank you. We're really proud of it.
Yeah, you should be proud of it. It turned out really amazing. Man, it was great talking to you. I hope you do good.
Good talking to you. Thank you.
Wish you good luck.
Yep.
Awesome.
All right, clear.
See, no pressure.